Thanks for joining us at an IKO manufacturing plant tour. IKO has been producing quality building products since 1951, and today you are visiting one of our state-of-the-art North American shingle plants. We're excited to give you insight into how our roofing products are manufactured. To ensure operational excellence, our team preaches and practices safety every day. We ask the same from our visitors, so here's what you should keep in mind. Please be sure to wear your hard hat, vest, gloves, glasses, and headset, or hearing protection at all times. Feel free to take selfies in your PPE before the tour, and maybe even post them online with #FashionWeek. Please listen to your tour guide and stay with them for the entirety of the tour. And of course, in the unlikely event of an emergency, they are the experts who will ensure everyone is accounted for. There are designated pathways inside the plant. Be sure to walk through the designated doorways and within the lines to keep your hands and feet inside the, well, you get it. Remember, this is an active manufacturing facility, so be alert for forklifts and plant traffic. Tour participants must not lean, sit, or climb on rails, and smoking is prohibited. Do not touch any equipment. If you get too close, you may accidentally trigger a sensor and a bunch of loud noises that could shut down the entire plant. Remember, much of what you'll see today are top secret IKO methods and machinery that were designed and engineered in-house. We therefore ask that you keep your phone away and refrain from taking pictures and videos during the tour. So let's get out there and have a look at how IKO makes the quality products that are coming soon to a roof near you.